गोयचे राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लय हांच्यांनी मंगळारा सत्तरी वाठाराक भेट दिली. थंय तांणी होण्णां, मावशी, ठाणे नगरगांव, बिरांडे, परये, पिसुर्ले, केरी, डोंगुर्ली, सावर्डे आनी कोताड्डे गुळेली पंचायतींच्या पंच तशेंच सरपंचां कडेन संवाद साधलो. तशेंच डायलिसीस दुयेंतींक तांणी आर्थीक मदत दिली. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Today you have come to Sattari Taluka, I think one of the most beautiful parts of Goa, Your Excellency, because we are really blessed by God with nature's bounty. We have beautiful hills, we have so much forest, we are blessed with the Madai River, we are blessed with Valvanti River, we have Ganjone Dam. We have the only Brahma temple in Goa is in Valkoi constituency in Nagargaon Panchayat in Brahma Karmari. You have visited that, yes. That comes in Sattari. One of our renowned veteran researchers, writers, Madhya Shastri ji is from Ambede from Nagargaon. So one of our sarpanches just mentioned, Deepaji Rane, Dada Rane, these are all our freedom fighters who have fought during the liberation of Goa. And Sattari has given birth to many freedom fighters who have fought tooth and nail for liberation of Goa. And we are very proud of our heritage.
My fund, instead of I am using it, and making salary and other things, I am satisfied with that. And then I declared that, or Rajmore declared that, this fund being used for the benefit of the people. And on that day, our Prime Minister's 71st birthday, that was last year, September 17, declared that 71 dialysis patients will give our aid. I asked our MLA. Now I found that Goa has got a speciality as far as dialysis patients are concerned. In other parts of the country, dialysis every week, 2 times or 3 times dialysis is mandatory for their survival. And in Kerala, I would like to say my own home state, there will be minimum amount for that. Government hospitals also levying some charge that may go to even 4 digits in certain areas. And mentioning with respect to the government hospitals, they are charging, that is a situation. But in our state, I ascertained from our honorable MLA that in Goa, its dialysis is free of cost according to the information. When we thought about it, about 1 year back, declared that additional expenses incurred to such patients, 71 patients we will offer application called for and reports called for from officials, additional collectors here. So through that authorities also, we called for the request from the people.